Hello, everyone, and welcome to week 2. Happy to have you here with me. Hope everything is still going okay. I know week 1 is always kind of crazy, and there was quite a bit to do there, right? I mean, especially when you factored in you had to do the goals for the course, the syllabus quiz, the week 1 information, all of that. There was a lot to do, but hopefully you're sticking with it. Hopefully, whatever your goals were for this course, that you've got them down, you've got them in motion, and you know what you need to do to keep going. But for now, let's go ahead and take a look at week 2. So for week 2, hopefully you're watching my video, right? So please watch my video. Um, you're going to want to check out the study resources. Now, I will say this is where we're actually going to get a little bit of math and a little bit more thinking involved. So we've got our 5-number summary, measures of variation. This stuff, there's not a lot to do this week, but it is a little bit more in depth. So you've got identifying descriptive statistics, this video covers the 5-number summary, and then this video goes along with the measures of variation handout. So similar to before, I would suggest printing these off. I will say that this video, I did not actually do this video, even though it says Math 113, Introduction to Applied Statistics. My husband actually did the video for his Math 113 class, and I really liked it when I saw it. So honestly, I just kind of stole his video. I mean, hey, it was out there on YouTube, right? So it's free game. But I liked it. I thought he did a good job explaining things, and so I thought I would provide it for you guys because I thought it might help you guys better understand some of this information. So definitely make sure you review all of this. Your assignments for this week, you've got evaluation of information, so that's your first thing. So for this one, it's pretty important. It's just trying to evaluate the credibility of information and statistical claims, both for this course and in your everyday life. And so the thing, you might think this is funny or not, is just I find myself again and again. And it's not just my mom, but it is. So glad none of you know my mom. I'm not from around here. But like my mom hates it when she posts something on Facebook or she texts me something and I post a Snopes response like of, Mom, this is fake, right? And she's like, what? It's fake? And I'm like, yeah, like just do a quick Google search. You could see that it's fake. So, yeah, well, basically what I want you to do is find a recent news article and analyze it using some of these resources. So find something maybe on Facebook or just wherever and then go through and provide the link to the source and the details and process of what you looked at and found as a part of your evaluating. So what did you use to evaluate these? What did you do in your Google search? What did you do once you found the article? Did you then do another Google search to kind of fact check what it found? Did you just kind of go through all of these step by step? Just explain whatever you did. Then for the follow-up, discuss what other students have written. So once again, remember, the first post for this, right, is on Thursday. So that would be Thursday the 31st. So this first post right here is due the 31st, and then this follow-up is due on the 3rd. So for initial post is 31st, follow-up is on the 3rd. So what else do we have? Distance to Richland survey. Now for this one, this is the first part of Project 1. The point of this activity is just to gather some data we can use. So as long as you answer all the questions honestly, there's no right or wrong answer, you'll get full credit for this assignment. There is no time limit, but once you answer and submit a question, there's no backtracking. So make sure you get the answer, you put in the answer you want, and you've got it. But there is no time limit, so you can kind of come in and out of this quiz as long as you don't submit it. So that's the big thing. Just don't submit the quiz until you're done. But if you're like want to get out and come back, you can because there's no time limit. Just don't submit it. Okay, it will automatically save everything as you click through, so that's why you don't. Let's see, so back to week 2 information, the chapter 1 quiz 3. So chapter 1 quiz 3 is about these measures of center, spread, position. While yes, it's important to have read this information, I would definitely not attempt that quiz until you have watched these videos, because these videos literally were designed to help you do well on the quiz. And since the quiz is taking an average, you do get 4 attempts. You want to make sure you make every attempt, every one count. So good luck. I think that's it for this week, and have a great week. And I'll talk to you all soon.